Welcome to High Grade School and Academy. I am little Haina, the storyteller. Today, I am going to share with you an interesting story with full of fun named The Fox Who Shared the Sunlight. In a cool green forest lived a clever fox. He found a sunny spot under a tall tree and loved to rest there every day. But he kept the place all to himself, never inviting anyone else. One hot afternoon, a young deer walked by. She saw the fox resting and asked kindly, "May I share this sunny spot to warm up?" But the fox shook his head. "No, this is mine." Soon, a little rabbit hopped over, shivering from the morning chill. He begged, "Could I sit here for just a while?" The fox frowned and said, "No room for you." A small bluebird fluttered down, asking, "Can I rest on that branch above the sunlight?" But again the fox growled, "No, find your own place." The bird sadly flew away. Suddenly, dark clouds covered the forest. Rain poured heavily and thunder rumbled. The fox's sunny spot disappeared, leaving him cold and lonely. The deer, rabbit, and bird gathered together under a large rock cave. The deer saw him and said gently, "Come, join us. Kindness is for everyone." The fox's eyes widened. He was being welcomed despite his selfishness. When the storm passed, the animal returned to the forest. The fox invited them all to his sunny spot, saying, "From now on, this place belongs to us all." The forest rang with laughter, warmth, and the friendship. The moral of the story: happiness grows when we share what we have with others. Thanks for watching. The Parents' Trust and the Parents' Choice. High Grade School and Academy.